Have you ever put up to the pump and looked at the options for regular, mid-grade and premium gasoline and wondered, what's the real difference here? Is it really worth spending the extra cash for the higher octane fuel? Does it actually make a difference? Does your car go faster or have more power? Well, in today's video, we're breaking down the high-octane gasoline and why it's a game-changer for some types of engines and a complete waste of money for others. We're talking some serious money here, up to $500 or more per year. Stick around to find out how. So let's start with a simple question. What exactly is detonation? Detonation, also called engine knocking or pinging, happens when the air-fuel mixture in your engine's combustion chamber ignites prematurely and not in the way it's supposed to. You know, before the spark plug fires, and that, my friends, is a problem. Normally, the fuel is ignited in a controlled manner by the spark plug at the exact right moment in the engine cycle. The air-fuel mixture burns slowly, creating a smooth, controlled explosion. This is how your engine turns fuel into power. But sometimes, part of the air-fuel mixture go off on their own, before the spark plug even has a chance to do its thing. This results in a violent, uncontrolled explosion inside the cylinder that creates shock waves, and those shock waves sound like a nasty knocking or pinging noise. Not only does the knocking sound bad, but it's actually bad for your engine. It can cause pitting on the piston heads, damage to the cylinder walls, and put serious stress on your engine's internal components. So detonation, definitely not something you want to have around. Now, if detonation is the enemy, what's our secret weapon? It's octane. You've probably seen that number on the pumps, right? 87, 91, or 93. But what does it actually mean? Well, octane is basically a measure of how resistant fuel is to knocking or detonation. The higher the octane number, the more resistant the fuel is to spontaneous ignition under pressure and heat. See, high-compression engines like those in sports cars and some trucks and performance vehicles, the air-fuel mixture is squeezed in with smaller space, creating more pressure and higher temperatures. These conditions make it more likely that the fuel will ignite too early, causing detonation. That's where the high octane comes in. High-octane fuels burn more slowly and resist that early ignition, so they allow the combustion process to happen at just the right time, with the spark plug firing when it's supposed to. This helps prevent knocking and ensures the engine runs smoothly with maximum power and efficiency. Let's dig deeper into why high-compression engines need high-octane fuel. High-compression engines are designed to generate more power by compressing that air-fuel mixture more tightly. The higher the compression, the more force the engine produces during combustion. Problem is, the tighter the compression, the greater the chance that uncontrolled ignition happens, and then you have detonation. Using high-octane fuel ensures that the combustion only happens when it should, protecting the engine from damage and helping it run at peak performance. Now, a common myth I want to debunk. Does higher octane fuel automatically make your car faster or more efficient? Nope, not exactly. The truth is, unless your engine is specially designed to take advantage of high-octane fuel, you're not going to see any noticeable difference in horsepower or fuel economy by simply upgrading from regular to premium gasoline. Engines are built and tuned to run on specific octane. If your car is designed for regular 87 octane, it won't benefit from higher resistance to knocking that premium fuel provides, because the engine isn't designed to take advantage of it. So when does high-octane fuel actually help? Well, if you've got an older engine or one with a lot of miles on it, you might experience knocking under heavy loads, like when towing or accelerating hard. In those cases, switching to a higher octane fuel could help reduce knocking, but that's about protecting the engine, not boosting performance. Some modern cars with adaptive engine management systems can adjust ignition timing to take advantage of higher octane fuel. But let's be honest, the increase in power or fuel economy is usually so small you won't notice the difference, and it's definitely not worth the extra cost at the pump. To wrap things up, for most cars that are designed to run on regular fuel, using premium gasoline won't make your car any faster or more fuel efficient. The best thing you can do is follow your car's recommended octane rating, which you'll find in your owner's manual. That will give your engine the right fuel for optimal performance and keep you from wasting money at the pump. So next time you're at the pump, remember, regular fuel is great for regular cars, and premium fuel is really only necessary for high-performance engines or to prevent knocking. Stick to the basics and your car will thank you for it. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more car tips and tricks. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next one.